right? In my first film, I worked with 5 veterans in Tamil cinema and 2 children. To
Oh my
make those
God.
5 veterans, 5 veterans who have done each about 120 films each, they can come to the set and tell me what I need to do. How do I tell them what to do was itself a challenge. And the other set of actors were 2 kids. And how do you get a child, because working with children and animals is the toughest. How do you get
Yeah.
children to do what they want? At the same time, then you have producers, you have people on the producer side who will change things, who will want to do things differently. How do you make sure that all of them see your vision? And therefore,
We've gone literal.
rapid firing. Oh my God.
Okay. So, your superpower.
I think it would be patience. Just learning to let things go.
Favorite Avenger.
Avenger. Oh, I think I'm very drawn to Captain America. I don't know why.
Okay.
I just feel like he
Okay,
represents
fine.
the best of us.
Okay. One thing that most people don't know about you.
That I'm actually very approachable and friendly. I don't want them to know that about me.
Oh, understand why. Favorite quote.
Favorite quote is, "What doesn't kill you will only make you strong."
Directing a movie is not about.
Is not about entertaining an audience.
Admired celebrity.
Rahul Dravid.
Mom.
Best friend.
Dad.
Solid support.
Never.
Cheat.
What keeps you awake at night?
Hope.
Ah, lovely. A book that you'd like to gift to most of your friends.
The Art of Looking Sideways. One of the most phenomenally, it's brilliant book. Art of
Okay.
Looking Sideways. Thank you.
I got a chance. I got a chance. Maggie.
Sin. Happiest sin.
Okay. Comedy.
Power.
Comic Stan.
Discovery.
तूने मारी entry.
I can't look beyond Dil Mein Baji Ganti, so.
Okay, chalega. Okay. What is toxic for creativity?
Knowing how things should be done.
Okay. Can you say this tongue twister? So since I now know about your Hindi secret, this is Punjabi here, okay?
Whoa.
Okay, you'll get 2 chances only, huh? Praji to panda leke pan nu de de.
Praji to panda leke pando de de.
Not bad. Micah.
Awareness.
What is an underrated quality in context of creativity?
Putting in hours of work.
Now tell us a little bit about your upcoming movie, Karthik. You just directed a movie. What is the name of the movie?
The film is called Super Senior Heroes. So it's a superhero film with super seniors.
And very, very acclaimed actors of the South. It's like 4
Yeah, so the entire idea was 80s mein jo bhi number 1 hero or heroine the or number 1 comedian the, wo sab abhi काम के बिना बैठे हुए हैं, सब side characters कर रहे हैं roles. कैसे, how can I write a story where all 5 of them come back as heroes? But if you came back as heroes, nobody wants to watch them today. So I'll make them superheroes. So it's a cute, fun, positive, feel-good film, which is about 5 80s heroes coming back as superheroes in a comedy, and it's about 60-year-olds becoming superheroes. So
Oh, sounds so interesting. And it has something for everybody. I mean, would you like to share, if someone wants to get into directing, how do you make an unconventional path a sudden change, and then make it successful? Uh, like from acting to direction, sometimes it can take years for a person to make that happen. How did you do it so quickly?
I think the most logical journey for anybody is to become a director, is to become an assistant director, and then do 3-4 films, and therefore learn to direct. But nobody actually learns to direct as an assistant director. They get contacts who they can go pitch to. वही होता है जब कोई assistant director बनता है. But I was never an assistant director, although I worked in about 20 feature films as an actor, and therefore you got to see the politics of the process very, very well. Politics of the process is more important than actually storytelling. Storytelling is a directorial sense, is something that you gain over time, right? And believe me, a lot of audiences would have seen so many movies that already have a directorial sense, right? Because there are many people who think they can direct a story out there, but what they don't realize is direction, actually becoming a director, is about pitching the right story in the right way to the right people. And then once you've gotten the project, managing people to be able to finish your film. So pitching the project is very, very critical. What is the right kind of project to pitch that people will jump onto? Whether it's producers, whether it's actors, whether it is a potential financier for the product or whatever it may be. You need to find the right formula that you can pitch so that people will grab at it. And then using that formula, you can put a storyteller can put anything into it that he wants to put in. Right? Once I've got Salman Khan onto my project, I can tell any story through Salman Khan. I just have to make sure Salman Khan fans are happy. Right? So how do I tell? I can tell a Bajrangi Bhaijaan, at the same time I can tell a Wanted also. Right? How do I choose to tell you what I want to tell you using a vehicle that I have? So therefore, the directorials, to become a director, you need to have that ability to find the right pitch to get a producer or a huge star on board. Second, once you've gotten that, you need an incredible ability to manage people, to be able to not interfere with your story. Because anybody, they can just come in and they can literally kidnap and like they can take the film and go away. How do you make sure that you manage people in a way that they do what you want them to do? So that is like probably the toughest job as a director, because a director is nothing but a man manager.
It is very tough.
Directing a film is actually quite easy if you know what you want to do and how you want to do it. But to get other people, because the unique thing about making a film is it's expensive. It involves a lot of people, and it's not done in a room quietly in one corner. I can write a stand-up comedy special today in my room, perform it, I can get it tested. It's my own journey, my own output. I need nobody else for it. Whereas a film, I can't make without 15 actors, a producer, a distributor, 100 people on a unit who are there, my cinematographer, my editor, all these people, are music director. Without them contributing, you can't make a film. You just can't. And it's the toughest job. These are the things that people don't tell you. Like when they interview a great director like Anurag Kashyap, they ask him saying, how did you do this thing? They don't ask him, how did you get funding for your first film?
Yeah.
How did you get a film after Bombay Velvet? आपको पिक्चर कैसी मिली? किसने प्रोड्यूस किया? आपने क्या किया? How did you go back to the drawing board? Like those are the things that you really need to know from these people if you want to learn direction from them. Like for instance, on a day, like let's say you look at an iconic shot of Anurag Kashyap and you say, oh, what a shot! उसने कैमरा ऐसे डाल के ऐसे shot लिए. What intelligence! Most intelligent thing is on that day he would have fought with his producer and said, I need a crane for the shot. producer उसे crane नहीं मिलेगी, पैसा नहीं है. So he would have thought, अच्छा crane नहीं मिल रही है, but I want this overhead shot. How do I get that angle for that scene without a crane? That is what a director's job is. Either you try and get the crane on that day, or you make sure that you shoot that scene on a day when you get a crane. These are the things that a young director needs to know. Not what do I need to do to take that shot? How do I convince people that I need that shot? Or that is the tough part.
Wow. And you've already done this also.
Yeah, my first film is complete. Yeah, it should come out by June.
Wow. Okay. And
like 80s and 90s stalwarts coming back and being superheroes. It's just a cute, adorable, positive, fun, feel-good comedy.
So here is Karthik, KK, okay. And then his creativity, it gets, expressed in so many ways and so beautifully. Like, I mean, all kinds of talents, right? Writing and directing and acting and so many things. What is the secret sauce? Is there a secret sauce?
I don't think I'm talented. That's the truth of it. I'm very, very socially concerned. So I, as an human being, I feel things that I want to share with people. In order to be able to share it effectively, I learned storytelling. I learned comedy. Today, I've learned to direct a film. I've learned to write scripts because I have an internal engine that wants to share things with people. I think that is the internal engine that is always there. Tomorrow, if I have to learn to play a guitar to tell that, to communicate that feeling, I'll learn to play a guitar. Yeah.
Wish you a lot of success for this movie. Let it be out with subtitles and dubbing. Both.
Yep.
We'd love to see this movie.
Absolutely. It's produced by Yudli Films, so it's a Bombay-based producer, so it will have subtitles and it will be showcased significantly in all of India. So yeah.
So thank you, Karthik. You've given us such nice, effortless yet so deep conversation and insights, and got to know you also much more. And it's been amazing.
Pleasure has been mutual.
Yeah.
Thanks, Abhi. Thanks for